Would you like an easy mayonnaise recipe? This boiled egg mayonnaise recipe is super simple and just as tasty. We always start with whole ingredients and include food-grade essential oils. To boost your gut health and mental clarity, you gotta try this. Healthy is simple. Okay, in our blender bowl, let's add 3 hard-boiled eggs, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of water, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now we're going to add our secret sauce, 6 drops of lemon essential oil and 2 drops of black pepper essential oil for boosting and detox. 1/2 teaspoon salt and a pinch of paprika, or if you like sweet, add a little bit of sweetener to your liking, even a few drops of stevia. Now we're going to put the lid on and blend until very, very smooth. This is going to take a couple of minutes, but look at how nice this mayonnaise looks. And it's very tasty too. It's got a great texture, very nice for making a chicken salad. It mixes together very nice, as well as spreading on your favorite sandwiches. I especially love it because it is so simple to make and it's got very clean ingredients. Can't beat that. Healthy is simple. Please ask your questions in the comments below, then like and subscribe. And if you haven't realized the magic of adding food-grade essential oils to your food for that burst of flavor and boost of metabolism, go to the description to get started. Time to go create in your Happy Gut kitchen.